Okay, so my flour and water has been sitting for about, and starter, flour, water, starter has been sitting for about 20 minutes. And it looks really shaggy, which is just fine. And honestly, this looks like pretty wet to me, but we're gonna add a salt and we're gonna add a little bit of water. So I mentioned earlier that my recipe is 70% hydration, but it's actually 75% because I'm about to add 20 grams of salt and 50 more grams of water. So I have some pink Himalayan sea salt, but you can use whatever you want. And I'm gonna do 20 grams of salt. Let's see if you can see that. Come close. Okay. 20 grams of salt. And then just so we can mix it together, I'm gonna do 50 grams of water, which is not very much at all. It goes fast. Okay, oh gosh, 50, okay. It's a little over, that's okay. And then I'm just gonna take my hands and I'm just gonna work the salt and the liquid into this dough. Let me take it off of the scale. And I'm just gonna work this in until I don't feel any salt granules. And I'll pull and kind of knead a little bit. And then eventually it's gonna get into just, you know, like dough that you're expecting to work with. And that is when your bulk fermentation begins. And what I do is I do a stretch and fold every 30 minutes. You can YouTube stretch and fold, but I stretch and fold for every 30 minutes for 3 to 4 hours. And you can just tell when it's ready because it's like very bubbly or very like big, and you can see air bubbles. And that's when I know that I can shape it and then do its second long rise. So that's how I make bread.